In this video, I'm going to talk about charts in Excel. What is charts? Chart is a visual representation of the data. It will ease the understanding of the data by the users. Now, let's do it by creating a simple chart. Here is a continent in the world, and here is the total population. It is the male population, and this is the female population. This data is a fake data, so it's just for representation. In order to create a chart, we go to the Insert tab, Insert, and from here we have many different charts. I will start with pie chart. Now, if I want to create a chart, I select the part that I want that the chart to be created. So I create this part, and I create a pie chart. So it's important because in this chart it shows the total percentage of the population, and the title directly came from here, and the other data came from here, and these parts show the percentage of the population that each continent has. So we have many choices from here, from predefined charts here. We can also create our custom chart, but as you can see here, we have this chart is showing by percentage and without percentage, different teams, different usages. So as you can see, we have many different options from here. Let's select one of these. That this one is fine, okay, or maybe this one. Now we created a simple pie chart. Now we want to create another chart that shows the population male by female by comparing these two. So I will go to this part. I select the continent column. I select the male, and I select the female columns. I go to the Insert tab, and from here we have another types of chart which is called the bar chart. So you can see we have many different types. We can have these types, and we also have this type. Now this is a good way of showing because it shows side by side, so we can compare their result. So now we have the next chart, and we can also give a simple title to this one, world population. So in this way, we have all this data inside a simple chart to see also and their relative comparison here. Okay, now we want to select a different chart. You can have these all different types of combination that we can use. Let's say I want to use this part. So as you can see, in this way, I'm showing each continent data with the population on top of the bar chart. So it's a great way to show the population of each one. In this way, with the simple clicks, we created a chart that is more engaging and easy to understand by our users that or by our client that use this data. So now let's do a little bit customization. From here we can customize. Let's say if I don't want to show some part, or if I want to show some part, or we can also show the title to be centered overlay, or we don't want any title for our chart, or we want the data to be labeled where it should be labeled inside in the center or outside, or how in like call out way. How do we want it to be shown? So this outside in is fine for me, and we have other if you want grade lines or not, how the grade lines should be, it also can be shown. Where that legend to be shown is shown in the top. So if we want in the right, we can do it, or if we want in the bottom, we can do it. So these are the few ways that we can change our chart. We can also change the color of the chart. So in this way, as you can see, we can change the color to different themes. We have many options here. Let's say I want it to be green, so it will change to green. So we have a lot of options here. We also can change the layout a little bit if we want. So in this way, we have many layouts here to select from.